and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do I look like anyone familiar? I wish. So I thought I would do I copied blank, followed blank's makeup tutorial, and I thought I'd go with one of my most favourite makeup YouTubers, Holly Boon, if you couldn't tell by the title. I just thought that everyone is kind of mainly doing the sort of more bigger YouTubers, I guess. So like Jeffree Star, Jacqueline Hill, Nikki Tutorials of course. So I thought I would change it up a little bit for myself and do Holly Boon, just because I love the way she does makeup. She is so creative and makes things so colourful. A little disclaimer, me following this is not me being offensive in any way, shape or form. I love Holly, and I literally every time I go out I watch her YouTube videos because I'm like, I need an idea for makeup and I'm going to follow your tutorial. I don't think this is too bad, so if you want to watch the rest of the video then, well yeah, just keep watching. Okay, this is going to look really awkward because Holly already has one eye done and I have none done, so I'm going to have to try and do two at the same time.
This shade and this shade, mix them together. I'm going to apply it in my crease and just above the crease. And I'm just using this brush from NYX. Doesn't have a number on it, but it's just like a fluffy brush. I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's a fly in here and it's so loud. I'm just like, get out. I feel like I've got hay fever, my nose is clogged up, I've got a headache. And I saw this teal,
wait, is she using a different
blue shade, I was like, damn.
What's up, damn Gina?
I think people give her so much stick and I'm like, why? She's a fucking queen. That's why she gets stick, because people hate, because they're jealous.
Yes, Holly, you're queen.
She's someone that I massively look up to. I think she's incredible.
Wait, this is not looking the same. What? How is that so seamless? Wait, I can't keep up. How does she do that so seamlessly? This is not looking seamless. It literally looks like I have a line in my eye. Guess you just keep blending until it looks okay. Then she said she went back in with the transition colours. And then that. She do that, it was do that. Go over it, right? Is that right?
So gorgeous, I'm obsessed. And I'm going to use my large shader brush from Sigma, this is the E60. And I'm going to pack this on the lid and I'm going to bring it up into my crease as well. And then I'm going to blend it out and it will just kind of darken it up a little bit. I'll show you what I mean.
Wow, that's pigmented. Oh my gosh.
The pigment is so good. And then yeah, I'm going to bring it up into my crease.
Okay, this is so not the right brush. So if this was real time I tried following, you wouldn't have any makeup on because it goes too fast. So that's why I keep pausing it, but that's the gist of other people's videos that I've seen. So yeah, I'm going to do a Holly and say how I'm literally shook at how pigmented this is. It's literally going on I'm obsessed. That's another one. I'm obsessed. The reason why I love Holly's videos is because she does such different looks. Everyone goes for brown smoky eye, cranberry smoky eye, but she mixes it up with colour, with cut creases, with eyeliner and everything, and I just love the creativity.
That flies, do my head in. So yeah, just going to the transition colour. Just making sure it's all blended nicely. I'm going to finish off my whole eye before I move on to my face. So I'm just going to apply some concealer.
Whoa, slow down girl! Try and act all professional. It's just not going to plan. It's not looking like Holly's. So much blending and going back and forth. Don't know why my accent keeps changing. How am I doing so far? Holly used her finger to blend this out.
So I'm just going to set that with some translucent powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier. And then I'm going to go with my fluffy brush from NYX and the transition colour that I used, so those two shades. And I'm going to just run this underneath my eye. First, run this really close to the lash line.
You're blowing me away, woman, slow down! Okay, I don't have a blue liner, so...
So I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation.
Mine's the shade Natural Beige.
And for concealer, I'm going to take my NARS.
So Holly goes over her lips with her foundation, and I'm going to do the same.
I'm just going to bring this down the sides of the nose as well. And I'm just going to apply a little bit on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose.
Okay, so Holly's using a Boon blender to bake down the side of her nose.
Next, a mineral stick. This
Never
is
done
the
this
shade
before.
13 to contour and warm up my face. I mean,
Is that how you do it?
it's not the right shade. And warm up my face. I mean, it's not the right shade for contouring. It's way.
And it's not blending. Ah.
Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder contour kit over where I applied the cream. I just want to set that. I am going to go in with some blush.
It's actually so cool doing your makeup like somebody else, like completely different to how you're used to doing it. Because I can never get that bronze goddess look. Feeling bronzy right now.
I'm just going to use these two shades.
These look so
I only
similar.
want the tiniest bit. But yeah, it's so pigmented, so you literally only need the tiny on the front of my nose. And then I'm going to take that banana. So, for highlight, I'm going to also use my iconic London Illuminator drops in the shade Original. I'm obsessed. And then apply this to my cheekbone. I'm going to bring it around my eyebrow. I just love these so much because they're just so gorgeous and they're not powdery. They don't give you that powdery highlight. I say it all the time, but these are honestly just so amazing. And I'm just going to apply some just above my brow. Then I'm just going to take my
shade, but I have the shade
my NYX Suede
Natural
matte lip liner in the shade London. White nails are just not a good idea, like they just don't stay white. So for liquid lipstick, I'm going to take the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Cashmere Silk.
The lingerie.
Shade Cashmere Silk.
But I don't have that, so I have lace details, so I'm going to use that instead. The foundation on the lips feels so gross. Ugh. But I am getting the best out of the lip colours, not gonna lie.
So lastly, I'm going to spray some of the MAC Fix Plus just to get rid of any excess powder.
Marabadisco.
So there we go, all done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe. Also comment below what you want to see next. To subscribe you can click my little cartoon down here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you in my next video.
So I just realised why I look so weird. I haven't done my eyebrows. So I thought I'd whack some hoops in and put my hair in a centre parting. I'm feeling very Holly vibes right now. So this is the finished makeup look. It has transferred a bit, or a lot, but that's just because of my eye shape. But everything else, like, I literally just love this look. I feel like I look so edgy and cool and like see you never. Thank you. I just love the way that she's applied the bronzer contour and everything. So yeah, I'm going to try out some of those new tricks and maybe change up my makeup a little bit because I still do the same thing I probably did last year and that's just boring. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you later. Okay, well, thank you. Bye!